Hey there, this is Nick. I was looking over your video, and it's pretty interesting the amount of detail that goes into, everything that can go wrong with a sea turtle, basically. They're beautiful, beautiful creatures. I've actually had the luxury of working with one or two of them. But the information you have on here is very interesting. Um, and you're pretty spot on. Let me get back to it here. You're spot on right here with the causes of death. I like the fact that you put in here the fisheries. A lot of people don't pay attention to that. They think of pollution. They see the pictures of the sea turtles with the drink carriers around their neck and stuff like that. Um, so the fact that you're able to touch on all of that is pretty cool. And it's good to spread that information. And then the further in you get to where you're talking about how we can, stop it and help prevent the loss of sea turtles, um, and marine animals overall. So, overall, I think you did a great job. Yeah, girl, you struggled just like I did keeping it under 3 minutes. It's hard when you do something you're so passionate about. So, great job. Keep it up. Thanks.